Whether through utilizing backup files, employing third-party software, or leveraging iCloud, we'll explore how to maximize the chances of successful recovery, ensuring that accidental deletion doesn't result in the loss of crucial screenshots. Way 1. Recover deleted screenshots on iPhone from recently deleted folder. Open Photos, go to Albums, find Recently Deleted in Utilities, choose Screenshots. Tap Recover. Confirm with Recover Photos. Way 2. Retrieve deleted screenshots in iPhone from iTunes Backup. Open iTunes, connect iPhone, trust computer if needed. Click iPhone icon. Go to Summary, select Restore Backup in Backup tab. Choose relevant backup, preferably the latest. Click Restore. Enter encryption password if prompted. Way 3. Recover deleted screenshots on iPhone using iCloud Backup. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Erase all content and Settings. Follow Setup until Apps and Data, then choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in, select the relevant backup from the list. Way 4. Get permanently deleted screenshots back using Finder. Connect iPhone to Mac with Maco's Catalina 10.15 Plus. Open Finder, select iPhone. Go to General tab. Click Restore Backup. Choose Preferred Backup Date. Click Restore to initiate. Way 5. Recover permanently deleted screenshots on iPhone without data loss. If you've exhausted options like the Recently Deleted album and are hesitant to restore from iTunes or iCloud backups due to the risk of overwriting current data, consider using Mobican Doctor for iOS as a reliable solution. How to recover permanently deleted screenshots on iPhone from iTunes. Install Doctor for iOS. Choose Recover from iTunes Backup File. Wait for backup detection. Select Potential Backup. Click Start Scan. Choose Camera Roll or Photos. Click Start Scan again. Once the scanning process completes, preview the scanned images and locate the screenshots you wish to recover. Subsequently, click Recover to Computer to retrieve the deleted screenshots from your iPhone backup to your computer. How to recover permanently deleted screenshots on iPhone from iCloud. Step 1. Begin by launching the program on your computer and selecting Recover from iCloud. Proceed to sign into your iCloud account using the correct Apple ID and password. Step 2. Once logged in, all current backup files associated with your iCloud account will be visible. Choose Photos and select the next option to download the relevant iCloud backup. Step 3. After the download, preview the available content and select the screenshots you wish to recover. Finally, click on the Recover to Computer option located at the bottom right to save the recovered iPhone screenshots to your computer.